Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. We're going to learn more about the CSS transform scale property. So we know that transform and we can use it to scale, and it'll make it bigger, scale it bigger or smaller, depending on how much you want to scale it. And it's a commonly used design feature where when you hover over something, it will scale to put more emphasis on it. So for this example, we want to add a CSS rule to the hover state of the div and use the transform property to scale the div element to 1.1 times its original size when a user hovers over it. All right, so when we use the hover, we have to use this additional property to it. So we're going to go outside here, and then we're going to do div hover. And then we want to transform scale. We need to simply copy that and then change this to 1.1. And now when you hover it, we can see that it gets slightly bigger for emphasis. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.